Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the direct thermal applications as the sun energy can be collected directly to create both high temperature steam and low temperature heat for use in a variety of heat and power applications. So that solar thermal collectors are classified into low, medium and high temperature collectors. As we can see, a low temperature collectors are flat plates generally used for heat swimming pools like domestic hot water, space heating, solar drying, and distillation. Now, the second one is medium temperature collectors are also usually flat plates that are used for heat, water, or air for residential and commercial use. Now, the high temperature collectors concentrate sunlight using mirrors or lenses and generally used for electric power production. There are system uses mirrors and other reflective surfaces to concentrate solar radiations. Like parabolic dish system concentrate solar radiation to a single point to produce temperature in excess of 100 degrees Celsius. Like another one, like line focus parabolic concentrates focus solar radiation along a single axis to generate temperature of about 350 degrees Celsius. Central receiver system use mirrors to focus solar radiation on a central boiler. Now I'm going to explain about the low temperature solar thermal systems. As we can see, it collects solar radiation to heat air and water for industrial applications, including space heating for homes, offices, and greenhouses, domestic and industrial hot water, pool heating, solar cooker, solar cooking, crop drying, and desalination. Ma'am, can you go to first slide?
Yes, ma'am. You'll explain this one or shall I? Another diagram is there. You can explain through
Ma'am,
this
you can.
one.
Oh,
This is
yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay, now as we can see, this is the schematic representation of domestic water heating. As a solar domestic hot water system uses the sun energy collected by a flat plate solar collector and transfers the heat to water or another liquid flowing through the tubes. The system then draws upon this reservoir when hot water is needed. This system usually complements an existing electric or a gas hot water system to reduce our utility bill and provide approximately about 40 percentage to 70 percentage of household annual hot water needs. For domestic applications, the solar hot water system is a mature technology that can provide hot water to meet a significant of all of the hot water needs in a domestic building.
okay. Finish,
As
sir.
yes, ma'am.
Continue. You are saying something.
As we can see that in domestic water heater, a solar domestic hot water system uses the sun energy collected by a flat plate collector and transfers the heat of water into another liquid flowing. And when the this usually complements an existing electric or a gas hot water system to reduce our utility bill and provide approximate uh, 70% of household annual water needs. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You have done good.